So in this video today, I'm going to be decorating a table for two. Come on with me, guys. I thought it would be nice to go ahead and decorate the table for two in a more romantic style and also moody. So let's see how this comes out. Now this video is part of a collaboration called Tablescape Tuesdays, and that's my favorite time of the week. So Tablescape Tuesdays is every Tuesday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Today we have a guest. It is May's Design Corner, and the theme is Grateful Heart. So I always remember with a grateful heart Psalm 136:1, which says, "Give thanks unto the Lord, for he is good and his love endures forever." His love endures forever whether things are going good or whether they're not. Whether you feel blessed or whether you don't, you are always blessed, and God is always with you. Remember that in Hebrews 13:5, he says, "I will never leave you nor forsake you." Amen. Now, I also want to take a moment and tell May's Design Corner how much I appreciate her and reminding us every day that we need to pray. And we need to pray about all things. But most of all, I want to appreciate her and celebrate her today and say happy birthday and tell her how much I love her. She's an amazing, amazing woman. Amen. So I think this tablescape came out absolutely amazing, and I hope she likes it. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen.